Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Yes, we're heading into October and it is time to do Pink October. I'm issuing a challenge, Pink October Challenge AU. Pink October is recognized internationally to raise the awareness of breast cancer and other women's health issues. In Australia, we have a big fundraiser called the Pink Cricket Test, where all the cricket players wear pink uniforms, pink stumps, pink balls. There's lots of pink around. The crowd wear pink, and it is a big fundraiser for breast cancer nurses. They sell virtual seats on their website where you buy a virtual seat to go to the test and the money is donated. And generally I buy 2 of those, one for me and a friend. But to be honest, I don't like cricket. I'd rather watch paint dry. It's more exciting. The boys like cricket. And the pink test is something, well, I've got to donate to because I'm really into Pink October. So that's why I'm issuing you a challenge. What I'd like you to do is jump on board with my make-along. You can knit, crochet or sew and make something in the color pink. Now, you might go, oh, I don't like pink. I'm like that with green, but there are some greens I don't mind, and there might be a pink out there that you go, well, I don't mind that, I could use that. And this idea is to be a stash buster. So check out the pink color palette. In my stash, which I've been through, I have this chain spun yarn. I know it's by Lion Brand, but I cannot remember the name of it. It's discontinued, that I'm going to probably use in a beanie because I really want to move this along. But in the meantime, because it's such a wreck, I'll get thing to rewind it. So that's one color pink. Then you could do, if that's not you, a fluoro hot pink. This is a Schweppes yarn, another one, excuse me, no hiccups. Another one that thing I'll have to rewind for me. And this is a really nice fluoro young hot pink if you want to do something trendy. Then there's always variegated pinks. Now this is Ice's, I think it's magic something, magic glitz or something. This is left over from that. And this is like different pinks variegated to white with some glitter. And I'm thinking I'll use that up. I also have the last of one of my favorite yarns that's discontinued. It was a Spotlight yarn, Bella Tiz, and it's a pink yarn with some glitz in it, and it's super soft. It's lovely. I do for babies, but they did discontinue it. I then have, say, oh, I don't like those light pinks. I want something. Go to the other end of the spectrum and have fuchsia pink. This is fuchsia. It's a great pink. I like this. It's like really bold, and I always like the flower fuchsia. So there you go. That's my 3-weight yarn stash, but I do have 4-weight, which is 10 ply. I have this ball of pink by Spot Saver, and I could use that for something. I also have pink blankie yarn, variegated pink and white blankie yarn. So there's lots of things I could make. One of the things for the whole month, I probably will do a blanket, but I'm going to do some little things each week, and I'd like you to make something simple each week and send me a photo or post a photo, even better, in my community tab on YouTube, or post a photo on Instagram or the Facebook group. But if you don't do any of that, you can always email me a photo, because I'd like to do a slideshow each week for Pink October, raising breast cancer awareness and women's health awareness. It's really important, and I really like getting the message out there every year. So please join me in this bit of fun and find some pink in your yarn stash and make something that we can all share and enjoy in. I'm really excited to see what you come up with. I've been really enjoying Crochet Roulette and seeing with Tracy at Travel Crochet and seeing what everybody makes there. And I know we've already made pink item, but there's nothing wrong with doing Pink October. It's still fun. Guys, I hope you start searching your stash, looking at your patterns. I just want you to use what you have and be creative. You can make anything you like. Plushie, amigurumi, dishcloth. Me, I will probably do, like I say, a blanket for charity, because I have been through my stash and sorted all out my pinks. And then I will also do some little items to use up some of this, because I really want to reduce my 3-weight yarn stash. Guys, this should be fun. All you have to do is hashtag it Pink October Challenge AU, so I can find you and put you in the slideshow, and hopefully by posting it on Instagram or in the Facebook group, I have your permission and on the community tab. No one really uses my community tab, so it'd be really great to get it going with Pink October. I do love Pink October, even though I very rarely wear pink. What do you reckon? What would you make in pink? What would be your favorite thing to make? Because you could make things for older people, you could make things for charity, you could make things for younger people and babies, because pink is no longer gender specific. It can be for anybody. I once knew a guy where I worked that wore this pink watermelon colored shirt, and some of the other guys would snicker behind their hands, but he was really proud of it. And no, he wasn't gay. He just really liked the shirt and the color and how it made him feel. So there you go. Pink October, it's here. Launched on the 1st of October, closes on the 31st of October, and each week I will try and do a slideshow of what I find that you have made for Pink October. Guys, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and get checking your stash out for your color pink that you're going to use. Bye for now.